Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on Telegram. So let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Tap on the settings icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. In the settings menu, look for the set profile photo or change profile photo option and tap on it. Next, tap on the open gallery option to browse your photos. From your gallery, select the photo that you want to use as your profile picture. Arrange the photo to your liking. Then tap on the tick icon in the bottom right corner to confirm your selection. And this is how you can change your profile picture on Telegram. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.